today we are going to have a look at Snort and its capabilities, how we set rules, and how we are going to test SSH and ping based attacks using Snort. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to open VirtualBox and we're going to create a VM. You can see that I have created a VM here, and in the VM we open the settings and we need to configure the network adapters accordingly. So the first adapter has to be set to host only adapter, and the promiscuous mode has to be set to allow all. And in the second adapter it has to be a bridged adapter, and then again the promiscuous mode has to be set to allow all. And once this is done, we are going to start up the VM, and inside the VM we go to the terminal window and we are going to check the interface configurations. So what kind of interface we are running, and then we are going to check the IP of the host only adapter that is running in the device. And once that is done, we are going to install Snort now. While installing Snort, it will ask for the IP or the interface that it is going to attach to. So we're going to specify that interface IP and the interface subnet basically. And once that is done, Snort will be installed in your device. So once Snort is installed, we are going to verify whether Snort has been installed properly, and we are going to do that using snort ---- version command. This will show that Snort has been installed and what kind of version it has been installed in. So we are now going to look at the rules that are present within the device for Snort. So it is available in etc snort rules directory, and we can see various rules that are available which we can use to configure Snort. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create a rule. So what this command that was just executed will verify the configurations that has been added to etc snort.conf file. That is the configuration file for Snort. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a custom rule now in that Snort local.rules file. So the rule that we are adding here is to create an alert for a ping that is going to come to the device IP that is attached to Snort. So what we are doing here, we are creating an alert for an ICMP from any network, any port that comes into our home network and any port. And the message is ICMP detected here. All these SID and revisions are necessary syntaxes that we need to add to that rule. So once we add the rule, we are going to verify whether the rule is successful and using the executed command. So now the Snort rule that we added is actually valid, and we are going to test it now using. So before testing, what we need to do is we need to enable Snort console using the command. And attach it to the main interface that we have. So I forgot one option there, and this minus k ASCII will give us the data in ASCII format of what is exactly what alerts are actually coming in. So now we open a command prompt window and try to ping to that main IP that is attached to Snort. So now we can see in the other window, when we do the ping, we can see the ICMP detected here alert coming in, and from which IP it is coming in to this device. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add a alert for SSH based rule, SSH based event that is going to come to the device. So what we are doing is we are creating an alert for TCP, any network, any port, to any network in the device that is coming to port 22 that is associated with SSH protocol. So yeah, we are going to give the message as SSH attempt detected, and we are going to assign an SID for that, and normal division number. So once that is done, we are going to close that and then verify the Snort configuration using the same command. So since that is done, we are going to start up the console again and attempt an SSH connection to this device from command prompt. Yeah, you can see that the message is shown, the alert is shown for the SSH based event that is coming into the device. So it will keep coming as long as the TCP packets are coming into the device. So it will create one event per packet, and we can see the number of packets increasing, number of events or alerts increasing based on the number of packets that are being forwarded to the device for SSH protocol.